If you hate foggy windshields, you're not alone. Many drivers face this annoying problem, especially during the colder months. Imagine getting into your car on a chilly morning ready to start your day, only to find that your windshield is completely fogged up. It's not just an inconvenience, it can be downright dangerous. Visibility is crucial when you're on the road, and a foggy windshield can turn a simple drive into a hazardous journey. But still drive in cold weather. Try this foamy trick to stay safe. Foggy windshields can turn a morning commute into a blind adventure, but guess what? There's a simple, inexpensive solution that you probably already have in your bathroom cabinet. Yes, we're talking about shaving foam. This everyday item can be a game changer for drivers who struggle with foggy windshields. A foggy windshield can make even the most experienced driver feel uneasy. The frustration of constantly wiping the glass, only for it to fog up again, can be overwhelming. But don't worry, there's a way to prevent this from happening in the first place. Shaving foam is here to save the day. This might sound strange, but it works. The science behind it is simple, yet effective. Shaving foam contains surfactants and other compounds that create a protective layer on the glass. This layer prevents moisture from condensing on the windshield, keeping it clear and fog-free. Here's how to keep your windshield crystal clear with a little DIY magic. The process is quick and easy, and the results are impressive. You'll wonder why you didn't try this sooner. First, grab some shaving foam, not gel, the classic white stuff. The gel won't work the same way, so make sure you have the right kind. Once you have your shaving foam, you're ready to start. First, grab some shaving foam, not gel, the classic white stuff. Step 1, squirt a generous amount of shaving foam onto a clean cloth. Don't be stingy, you want enough to cover the entire windshield. Step 2, spread it all over the inside of your windshield. Make sure you cover every inch of the glass. It might look a bit messy at first, but trust the process. Step 2, spread it all over the inside of your windshield. Don't worry, it's going to look messy for a bit. Give it a minute to settle. This is where the magic happens. The foam will start to form that protective layer we talked about earlier, and then wipe it off with another clean cloth until the glass is clear. You might need to use a bit of elbow grease, but it's worth it. Until the glass is clear. Ta-da! Your windshield now has a thin, invisible barrier. The science? Shaving foam contains surfactants and other compounds that create a protective layer. This layer stops moisture from condensing on the glass, and other compounds that create a protective layer. This layer stops moisture from condensing on the glass, so next time you're battling the elements, whether it's rain, snow, or just a particularly cold morning, remember this simple trick. It can save you time and keep you safe on the road. Remember, shaving foam isn't just for your face, it's for your windshield too. This little hack can make a big difference in your daily commute. Happy driving, and stay fog-free, folks. With this trick up your sleeve, you'll never have to worry about a foggy windshield again. Safe travels.